it's a Louis Vuitton. Of course, this is fake, but 190 lira. Gucci, pretty good actually. The quality is really good. Doesn't seem bad at all. For 190 lira, that's not bad. Just entered the shop where they sell a lot of bags, kids bags, women's bags. Everything is 250 lira, which I have never heard of. That is very cheap, and the qualities are actually very, very good. All right, guys, if you want to ride the famous old school Taksim train, you can use your Istanbul card or you can use a credit card, and it's 20 lira per person. This is one of the newest places in Istanbul, and in my opinion, this is one of the most luxury places in Istanbul. This place is free to get in. There's no charge for this. When it comes to cheapest Sadbey restaurant to eat in the world, believe it or not, the cheapest one is right here in Istanbul, located right behind me. So good. Oh, yeah, it's spicy. Whew. So what am I gonna show you? You're gonna see the top places to eat in Istikal Street, famous desserts and baklavas and coffee places. All right, guys, welcome back to the travel vlog. Today I'm really excited because I'm gonna show you something I have not seen anybody do on YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how you can start out at Taksim Square, walk to Istikal Street, go to Galata Tower, and come to Galataport, all by walking in just literally 25 minutes. That's it. So what am I gonna show you? You're gonna see the top places to eat in Istikal Street, famous desserts and baklavas and coffee places. So with that said, my name is Ahmet and let's get started. All right, guys, I'm currently standing in front of a Taksim Square, a statue. It's a Saturday, 12 p.m. and this place gets busier and busier throughout the day, towards the end of the day. So once you get here, this is where you typically start. The statue is here, and then the famous Masjid is right here, right behind me. So a lot of tourists go to the Masjid, check out the inside, which you can absolutely do that. There's no problem. If you're a Muslim, not a Muslim, no problem. You can definitely go in, and they have long clothes that you can wear if you're wearing shorts and stuff. You can enter. So when you start from the square, there are things that I recommend that you do. Number one is to have some wet burger. It's our favorite, and I'm gonna show you also our favorite baklava spot. In my opinion, it's one of the best baklavas you can have in Istanbul. So with that said, let's go eat some wet burgers and have some baklava. So this is the famous Istikal Street right here. The donors, Islak or white burger is right here. So these are all the things you can have on the menu. So white burger is 32 lira. All right, guys, so we got our burger here, wet burger. I got 3 of them. They are very, very hot. I don't know if you can see the smoke, but they are very, very hot. This is literally probably one of the best things on Taksim Square, and it's the cheapest thing. They do have them with cheese, but I prefer the plain ones. It's a burger with special tomato sauce, almost like a spaghetti sauce. As you can see, guys, there's literally just non-stop shops. I've counted it. There are literally 10 shops all the way down. They're just selling donut and a wet burger. All right, so we've had our wet burger. Now the next place to go is to have some baklava and some Turkish coffee. So let's go. And it's literally right across the street. It's like a 5-second walk. So this is the donor shop, the wet burgers, and then you literally just walk to Hafız Mustafa over there. This is our favorite baklava place in entire Istanbul. This one is my favorite, but literally anything here is amazing. Alright guys, one of the things that I enjoy getting here is the Turkish coffee, so let me just show it to you. This is a double the size. The Turkish coffee is much smaller. You get a nice cold water next to it and amazing views. Alright guys, so finally got my kunafa. In my opinion, it's one of the best kunafas you can have in entire Turkey. I get it with no sugar or the syrup. You know, it comes in on the side, and I get mine with ice cream. I'm telling you, it's better than bread and butter. It's that good. So let's cut it out and give it a taste. It tastes so freaking good. You're in Turkey, you're in Istanbul, you gotta have this kunafa. I'm telling you, it will change your world. It's that good. Alright guys, so with baklava or kunafa and the Turkish coffee done, the cost was 326 lira, but I had 2 doubles, so it's 4 coffees and a kunafa with ice cream, 326 local currency. Alright guys, so I want to give you a couple of very important information. Number 1, cash. So if you don't have Turkish lira on you, this is a perfect place to exchange that to Turkish lira. So if you have euros and dollars, I've walked around today and looked at a lot of prices, and Taksim Square had the best exchange rate than anywhere else I've seen today. So this is a place that you want to make sure you change your dollars for lira. Do not buy cologne, do not buy perfume. You're gonna have a lot of guys randomly just approaching you here trying to sell it to you. They are fake. fake. You know, they're gonna sell you on the barcode is real. It's not, guys. They're all fake. Do not buy it. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people show up on TV, on news, where they got a skin rash, skin burn, had to go to hospital because they bought fake perfume and cologne. So do not buy it. I don't care how many times they say it's real. It's not. Next is water. Do not buy water with somebody just randomly standing outside selling you water. Most of the time, that's a water bathroom. The lid is glued. So what they do is they take empty bottles from the trash, filled up with a water bathroom, and then glue it and sell that to you and make a living. So not all the time, but you know, more than usual, that's the case. So if you're gonna buy water or something to drink, go inside of a store, buy it there, and drink it with peace of mind. With that said, let's make our way down the Istikal Street or Caddesi. This is the most famous street in Istanbul. This is very famous in Turkey. This is homemade cooking. You see all the meats, eggplant, meat, chicken, rice and beans. They even have grilled fish. They have spaghetti noodles and a bunch of appetizers. This is a chestnut here, very popular in Turkey as well. All right, we got our chestnut. This was 100 lira. This is the smallest box. It's actually pretty cheap. I was trying to get this in Çanakkale, and that freaking dude was trying to get me to pay 250 lira. This is the most expensive street just about in Turkey. So for it to be 100 lira here and 250 in Çanakkale, so that just tells you a ripoff. All right, so if you've been to Taksim Square, Istikal Street before, one of the things that you notice now, there are no seating areas, no benches. And you know, from the unfortunate bombing that happened last year, they remove all the seating here. So this is pretty much what you have to do, is you gotta kind of find a shade under the tree and sit on the side steps. If you're in the mood for McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Papa John's, Günaydin, the one in the end, actually pretty good. We've been there plenty of times. And some bowling. It's a Louis Vuitton. Of course, this is fake, but 190 lira. Gucci. Pretty good, actually. The quality is really good. Doesn't seem bad at all. For 190 lira, that's not bad. LC Waikiki, very famous store in Turkey. Our favorite store for me and Sad and the kids. That's where we do a lot of our shopping for the clothes. And that seems like a really nice large store. And a lot of the side streets, guys, you're gonna see a lot of side streets here. A lot of them are hotels, mom and pop shop hotels, or cafes and bars. They're pretty famous. A lot of people go there. A lot of locals go to these side streets for some, amazing time with family and friends. This is very popular. It's one of the popular spots here for chocolate. Any kind of chocolate you want, they got it here for you. Pretty famous dude. I've seen him in a couple of videos. He does a really good job putting on a show. Alright guys, I got me the vanilla version. Tastes pretty good. 70 lira. Pretty expensive, but it tastes really good. Now halfway through the street, guys, if you want a place to kind of cool off, get some air conditioning, there's a thing called Istiklal AVM, which is Istiklal Mall. The malls here have security, which is very common, but you can go there, walk around, pretty famous brands, and a movie theater as well. And right next to the mall, guys, you have the wax statue. Price for the wax museum is 450 local currency for one person. Just entered the shop where they sell a lot of bags, kids bags, women's bags. Everything is 250 lira, which I have never heard of. That is very cheap, and the qualities are actually very, very good. All right, guys, if you want to ride the famous old school Taksim train, you can use your Istanbul card, or you can use a credit card, and it's 20 lira per person. That's the only ways you can ride it. There's no cash. Credit card or Istanbul card. All right, guys, another thing that you can do here, it's pretty popular in Turkey, is a Turkish bath. This one is a famous Galatasaray Hamam, and it's been here since 1481. All right, we have our Kumpir. This is very popular in Turkey. I mean, it's cheap and it fills you up. So I got jalapenos, Russian salad, got potatoes with a bunch of appetizers on top. So with that said, let me just dive in and give you a taste what this thing looks like. So good. Oh, yeah, it's spicy. Whew. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. This thing was 145 local currency, which is like what, $5 give or take.
Güzel mi?
İsmi nasıl söylüyorsun?
Onun mu?
Bunun.
Hot sosis.
Pot sosis.
Evet.
Tamam oldu. Teşekkür canım.
Teşekkür ederim.
Hi guys, the Kumpir place is called Pot Sauces. Definitely amazing kumpir, pretty cheap, and it's a good sized potato. So definitely come by and check out. This is the only location they have. They do not have another location. This is the only branch at Istikal Street. And as you get closer toward the end of Istikal Street, you're gonna find more shops that go deeper and deeper with more stores. All right, one of the things that you'll see towards the end of Istikal Street is a famous church, St. Anthony Catholic Church. Very popular here in Istanbul. Hi guys, so this is called Osmanlı Macunu or Osmanlı Sweets from the Ottoman days. That's what it stands for. All right guys, so we pretty much finished Istikal Street, or the popular spots. Once you pass the Russian embassy, from there you literally just, same street, you just keep going straight. It's gonna put you right in front of Galata Tower. And it's literally 10 minutes walk max from the Russian embassy to Galata Tower. And it's just a straight path, so let's go. So here's a huge tip for you. Make sure you follow this exactly in the same direction. Taksim Square, Istikal Street, Galata Tower, and Galataport. If you end up going to Galataport after Taksim, it's gonna really suck for you because you're gonna walk up the hill to get to Galata Tower. So make sure you do Galata Tower after Taksim or you're gonna really hate it. Trust me, I've done it, it sucks. All right guys, and just like that, 5-minute walk for me, and I'm standing right in front of Galata Tower. There we go. That's the ticket office right there. So let's find out how much the tickets cost. The line seems to be pretty long. Now this used to be called Jesus Tower back then. That was the previous name. The lines are very long. So you don't want to be here on a weekend, guys. Try to get here on a weekday. This is the line after you buy the ticket. All right, so just to get the ticket, it's 350 local lira. So 350 local lira, local currency. And then with audio, it's 410. You can get a museum pass, 5-day cost right here. 15-day is 2,500 lira. It's definitely a lot bigger in person for sure. And it's actually really wide. All right, folks, with Galata Tower out the way, the next place we're gonna go to is Galataport. It's one of the newest locations in Istanbul. You get an amazing panoramic view of the city. Once again, easy 5-minute walk down the street, down the hill. So let's go and check it out. This is the street walking down the hill, guys, to get to Galataport. You can see very authentic. You get the real deal right here. Walk slowly so you don't bust your behind. You got a stroller, it's an easy walk down. I've made this walk up the hill with a stroller, 2 kids, plenty times. It's not fun, trust me, but we're almost there, guys. All right, guys, welcome to Galataport. This is one of the newest places in Istanbul, and in my opinion, this is one of the most luxury places in Istanbul. The breeze here is amazing. The views are just ridiculously good, especially nighttime when all the lights are on. So with that said, let me just show it to you and show you what this place looks like. Ayasofya Mosque, and right next to it is the Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmet Mosque. And right next to the Ayasofya Masjid is the Topkapi Palace. That's where the Ottoman headquarters used to sit, and that's where they used to rule out of. The breeze here, guys, is amazing. On a hot day, this place is an amazing place to get in. By the way, this place is free to get in. There's no charge for this. Man, the views are literally amazing. I cannot get enough of these views. I can literally sit here for hours. All right, guys, there's a museum available on the port that you can check out. It's called Istanbul Modern. So it looks like it's just opened up. It's within the last couple weeks. A lot of luxury restaurants here, guys. And this thing goes on for a while. And there's a whole another piece behind it where that's where the mall and the shops are, the luxury stores. Here comes probably the cheapest place you can have a coffee in this port. Kahve Dünyası, Coffee World. This is most likely the cheapest place you can have something to drink. All right, guys, when it comes to cheapest South Bay restaurant to eat in the world, believe it or not, the cheapest one is right here in Istanbul, located right behind me. And they have multiple locations. They're all really same price, but this one's got the best view in my opinion. But you can literally come here, try as much as you want, but you will not spend more than a couple $100 walking out of here. So if you're gonna eat it for the first time, highly recommend doing it here so you don't go broke doing it like in Dubai. All right, guys, while you're at Galataport, you can actually ride a ferry boat across to the Asia side, Üsküdar, Kadikoy, and then, in Europe side, Beşiktaş. The cost is 25 lira per person. If you have a MasterCard, it's 50% off right now. So making it 12 and a half, which is very, very cheap. I mean, that's pretty much cheaper than water. Water costs more than that right now in Istanbul. All right, guys, we have finally made it towards the end of the port, and you literally get some amazing views of the bridge. There's one of my hotels I recently stayed at, Conrad. I don't recommend it. Don't stay there. The little tiny boat you see right there is a new service that's been offered in Turkey recently, Istanbul recently. It's a taxi service. You can literally place an order on the app like an Uber, and it comes, picks you up, and takes you to wherever you want. By water, of course. But I've heard really good things about it. All right, folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.